Hello friends, welcome to my today's training. I would be using the max, and then I will show you all the measurement I'm using. The part with me now is for the base, and then this other part is to cover, that is the body of the turban. So the body of the turban is 28 inches by 14, and then this part with me is for the ruffles and it's 60 by 6. 60 by 6. So you get the measurement 60 by 6. We can use 5 or 6 pieces of it. I actually used 6 anyway because 5 could not really give me a total coverage, so I had to add an extra one. Yeah, so straight to the sewing machine. So on my sewing machine, I'll start by sewing the part I would be using for the ruffles. Remember, I said the measurement is 6 by 60, so like 60 inches long and then 6 inches wide, as in the height 6 inches. All right, so we'll sew it close. After sewing it close, you are going to sew it from the back. So when you finish sewing, then you use your pin to like flip it over. So you have to like turn the right side out. So we'll do that for uh, the whole of the 6 that I would be using. So now that I am done with the part that I want to pleat on it, so it will be time for me to bring the body of the turban, and then I'll start pleating the stripe on it. So remember, I said the measurement of this stripe I use is 6 inches by 60, but you can go above 6. That is, you can, for instance, do 8 if you really want the pleated part to be bolder than what I have. So you can like go above 6 inches. So when I place it on it, the pleat is a two-way pleat. That is, I'm not just pleating to one direction, I'm pleating on both sides. So when I sew, I'll pleat to the front and then pleat to the back. So I give it two different folds. So you fold one facing uh the, let's say, facing the machine, and then you fold another one facing yourself. So you sew, fold one facing the machine, fold another one facing yourself, fold one facing the machine, fold another one facing yourself. So that's how you continue with the pleat. So it's not just a straight one way pleat. So when you pleat, just understand, if I was actually uh thinking of the best way to make you see the pleat, but I actually did my best, and to me the pleat is not really coming out the way I want it to. That is, we are not seeing it the way I would have loved you to. So maybe I'm still like improving in my cameras, so just bear with me, but just understand the fact that the pleat is not a one direction pleat. You pleat on both sides, one facing the machine, the other one facing yourself, and then we continue in that until we are done with one stripe, and then we go ahead and then get the second stripe and still fix it the same way um, we fixed the first one. I always encourage my viewers and my subscribers that practice makes perfection. Don't just watch and sit down. After you finish watching this video, try to do something. Just try your hands on it and see what the result would be. It actually came out very well. I love the finishing, I love the outcome. So if you can't try your own, I think it will be a welcome development. Please just try something. Some persons were asking me if they can send me the pictures of their work. You can. A lot of my phone contacts are on most of my videos, so if you watch any of my videos where you see my contact, just know that you can use that particular contact for a WhatsApp message. So if you can't get it, if you can use it for a WhatsApp message, then definitely you can send me your work through those phone contacts that are there, and I will really appreciate it. I'm even thinking that maybe someday I'm just going to post all the work that they've been sending to me. I just want to use it to appreciate you people, so I'm going to do that one day. If you are going to send me your work, please do so. I will really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm very happy that I'm able to positively affect people's lives. So I'm glad, and when I get my feedbacks, I'm also very glad. All right, so continuing with the training, I've showed you how I pleated before, and I'm pleating the second one also using the same process, and then at the end of the day, you are just going to see the result. It came out very well. I did something on Ruffles before, and some persons asked me if I was the one that actually produced that Ruffles, and I said no. I bought that Ruffles that way from the market, and it is all over the marketplace. You can actually buy your own and make your own turban, and it's so pretty. The very day I made that turban was the second day I sold it. Somebody just came, saw it, and said, wow, I love this, and that was it. So once your work is good, just be sure that you will not lack customers. That's just it. All right, let's just keep watching this video. I believe that every other part of this video is self-explanatory, and you would not need me to explain anything to you if you can watch carefully. And then just a quick one, if today is your first time stopping by Creative Ends International, if you are discovering me for the first time, I just want to say thank you for stopping by this channel. Please do not forget to subscribe before leaving today if you love my video, and if you love the training, please do not forget to recommend this channel to other persons. All right, and then I'll see you in my next video. But nevertheless, if you think you have anything you are bothered about, maybe some of the part of this video that you feel is not clear enough for you to understand and you have questions, please don't forget to just drop those your questions on the comment section. The moment I come across them, I will respond to you. Okay, I think that is okay. So thank you very much for today. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the day. For me, it is bye from my end. Bye. Okay, friends. So this is the finishing of the turban. I guess you like it. I told you before that the outcome was wonderful. It was so beautiful. You can have it in any color. And by the way, you can use satin, like a bridal satin, doshet satin, satin. Satin can also do the work. But I think I prefer it with the max. All right. So bye.